welcome to 4 of 65 to 67 Boultwood Street. Avon Medway here, and on behalf of myself and Joshua Allen from McGrath, Coffs Coast, we'd like to welcome you here. This spacious 3-bedroom townhouse in a secure complex has that low maintenance living with a highly practical floor plan that has exceptional access to shops, schools, employment, medical services, and that coastal lifestyle with the beach just over there. And if you haven't tried Green 1 at Park Beach Bowls Club's Bacon and Egg Roll, make sure you do. For investors, there is an added appeal here of a long-standing tenant, and for first home buyers, young families and downsizers, there is an opportunity to secure genuine space without the upkeep often associated with a freestanding house. As we come in here, we have the secure complex, and one of the first benefits you'll notice is that it's a coded entry gate for walking and a remote access vehicular entry. It creates that immediate sense of privacy and reassurance for residents. There's a really clean presentation of the established greenery and the orderly driveway that give the development a well-maintained and welcoming feel. As we make our way down the driveway, you begin to appreciate another important advantage of this particular townhouse. Unit 4 is positioned toward the quieter rear half of the complex, and it gives us a greater separation from Boultwood Street, creating a more private residential environment. You are still centrally located, but the home itself feels removed from the activity of the street. This quieter position is likely to resonate with owner-occupiers, while investors will recognise how the strong privacy, security, and convenient access can support the long-term tenant appeal. If we have a look at the entranceway here, the approach to the home is softened by the established plantings, and the covered entrance makes arrivals more comfortable in all weather. The security screening and solid timber front door provide another layer of reassurance, while the frosted glass panels allow filtered natural light into the entryway without compromising on that privacy. I'm going to hand over to Josh now, who's going to take you through the home.
Hey guys, it's an absolute pleasure, as Avon said, to welcome you here. I want you to come inside and get a sense of it. So just before we enter, I want you to just touch on having a look in the garage there. Now we've moved a few things in there just to prepare for a beautiful photography day today, but just get a sense of the size. Easy to fit a 4-wheel drive in there, really great for storage as well. And we know that for active coastal buyers, they always appreciate more storage in the property. So I'm standing here in what is an open plan lounge, dining, kitchen area. Beautifully appointed, like all the surfaces are really clean. We love it when it's just obvious that the place has been looked after. And to our tenants' credit, they've been here for 7 years, so they're really, really valuable. And having this sort of open plan living area, beautiful natural light coming in, the large format tiles, easy to clean. We know it's something that resonates with investors, downsizers, and people looking for something they can move straight into that's turnkey. So, you know, in the kitchen, microwave, dishwasher, electric cooking, good size oven, room for a large family fridge, and the stone benchtops we know that people really appreciate is something that we love to see in a property ideally suited to investors, you know, young families and people looking for something in a great location. So you'll notice there's some understairs storage as well. Really great. We know having that extra storage in a property is appreciated. To the back of the lounge room here, you've also got the internal laundry, nice bench top, lots of storage space, and the powder room, the additional toilet, which we know obviously helps when you've got guests coming. They don't have to go upstairs, and it's convenient. Now, one of the lifestyle aspects, of course, is the covered rear courtyard. And for our tenants, this has been really great to have the covered area, the cement slab, room for gardening, whether it's herbs or potted plants. You've got the electric hot water system, washing line for the laundry, and of course the water tank for watering plants and so on. So let's go upstairs and have a look at the bedroom wing. And as we come upstairs, one of the things I always love is the wooden staircase. And just to create a separation between the living zones and the bedroom wing is something that in a smaller property really appreciated. This lovely landing, beautiful spot to read a book, enjoy some natural light. And then if you come through to what is the main bedroom, it's bright, it's comfortably proportioned here in the corner. The windows bring in beautiful natural light. You've got the DC fan, reversible with light, double mirrored wardrobes there with both shelf and hanging space. You can pop in there to bedroom number 2. Bedroom 2 and 3 mirror each other in size. Both of them enjoy generous natural light. And of course, having the media connection in both rooms for televisions is really, really nice. If we pop in here, you'll see that the family bathroom is also complete and highly functional, offering both a full-size bathtub, generous separate shower with a rain head shower head, and the bath particularly is appealing to young families with children and of course wanting those lifestyle aspects. So we're going to pop outside for one more little comment. As we stand here and we're about to welcome you through to have a look at this property in person, we want you to know that this is really well suited to investors. As we said, the tenant has been in place for 7 years, would love to stay if it's an investor that buys it. If it's a young family, it's yours. If it's someone looking to downsize, this could be the ideal property with the security, very clean maintenance, fantastic strata support that would make it a perfect place for you to move from. So, Boultwood Street, as you've heard from Avon earlier, puts you in a fantastic position with close proximity to everything that he mentioned. We welcome you to get in touch with us and we'd love to take you through this home.